All right, time now for Better Food. We're learning how to make a delicious Italian dish from a very talented chef.
Yes, the Tyler Anderson is here. Yay!
Hi. Hi.
So he rebranded his former restaurant, Perone, to Torreno Restaurant. It's right in the Goodwin Hotel. I had the wonderful experience of just going there, and everything I had was delicious.
Good. We had the wonderful experience of having you there.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I want to go again. Okay, but you're showing us a wonderful dish that's on the menu there.
Yeah, so my wife and I just went to Naples. We had a little R&D trip, one of the good things about owning restaurants. And there's this dish there called beef Genovese. So it's 1 part beef, 1 part onion, bay leaf, and olive oil. And that's all that's in the braised beef.
Olive oil.
And onion. And I just love the simplicity of it, and the flavor that comes out of it is just amazing.
So a lot of your ideas actually come from abroad.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Not from abroad, but from abroad. Yeah.
It's a fusion because you're from California and
Yes.
your wife is Italian. So when
Yeah.
you go there, it's kind of healthy options. Be very easy to eat, like paleo if you're doing that there, or you've got these amazing pasta dishes there.
Right, and half the menu is actually vegetarian as well. So almost half the menu. So it's it's got a little something for everyone, but like you can sin too. It's like gnocchi alla vodka and stuff like that.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So I tell my cooks, the most important part of cooking pasta is making sure your pasta water is seasoned.
Okay.
So season it like salty soup, not like the ocean. And then we use our pasta water like to pick up our pasta here because it's just nice and there goes our fancy oven. But we can finish anyway.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna toss this, throw a little Parmesan cheese in. Keep it healthy. Kale, healthy, power food.
Wilt it down,
Wilt it all down.
That looks
yeah,
so
you're good like that.
absolutely
Little
delicious.
parsley.
Now, is this on the menu right now?
This is on the menu. It's called Rigatoni Genovese. And then
And there's not a lot of pasta in there. It's
a lot of beef.
It's a lot
yeah,
of
it's
beef.
a whole lot
so
of beef.
You get your,
So there we go. We're gonna just mix that all around. If it was on, we'd be flipping and
Yes,
doing
we're
all
sorry,
these
there
things.
might be a
It's
little bit of
okay.
a shortage.
It's too fancy for me.
it's Mercury's in retrograde. Lots of stuff is happening today, Scott.
Let's not kid ourselves, Kara. This thing has never worked. I don't care where Mercury is.
It won't come back on. Okay.
It's okay. We got it. We got
got
it.
it,
We're
yeah.
good. And then a little Parmesan cheese to finish, and that's it. Very simple.
Look,
Wow.
there are forks over there next to the donuts.
There are forks.
Can you tell us
no
about
mayonnaise in it, nothing.
Can you tell us about the famous donuts that people line up for?
Yeah, so we have a donut shop also at the Goodwin Hotel. It's Pina
it's at the
Donuts.
Goodwin Hotel?
It's at the Goodwin Hotel, yeah, the coffee shop on the corner. So right across the street from Max downtown, we're right there. And it's open every morning from 7 in the morning to 11. We sell a lot of donuts.
It's so good.
Oh my God, that was really
Very
good.
comforting, good winter dish,
Oh,
hearty,
especially on
even
this
though we're
cold
not.
day.
Yeah, we're not having a ton of cold days, but
Tell us where
it's
you go.
coldish.
Where'd you get your training?
Yeah.
I've worked at some of the best restaurants in the United States, and I worked all over the place. Cooking for 25 years, it's like my passion. It's not even a job. So
No, and you do something you love, you never work a day
exactly,
in your life.
you know the feeling, right?
Okay, so I want to keep eating, but I have to ask you a question. So if you've gone to Torreno, it's beautiful, and you'll see all these preserved lemons. So Dennis and I were wondering, like, oh, is that just decoration? I said to him, I bet you're actually using them, and is that true?
Yeah, I like decor that can be used. Like, so you're spending money on the decor, you might as well be able to use it. So we preserve the lemons, and we'll use them in about 6 months. They're packed in salt and sugar, and then the liquids come out, and we use them.
It's so beautiful. Like I was like, I want to do that in my kitchen. But yeah, so it's so nice. And
When did the rebranding take place?
Last Monday.
Okay.
So we're a
brand
week
new.
and a half old. Yeah. So you were there, I think, on our 4th day. It was very handy. Valentine's Day being your 4th day of operation is always interesting.
Yeah, it's always fun to be
Yeah,
in a restaurant.
stress test.
yeah, no,
But
it
it was
was
good.
delicious, and they have so many options. Honestly, I think that if you're going with someone who has any dietary restrictions or someone who just wants to eat decadent, you kind of have everything, which is
Right.
great.
I mean, we even have little pizzas. So we just opened a pizzeria in Glastonbury called Square Peg. So we use the Sicilian crust from there, and we do little pizzettes, like little fancy chefy
what do you call
versions.
a pizzette?
Pizzetta, the little
Pizzetta,
pizza.
the
Yeah.
little pizza.
My accent's terrible.
No,
I
it's-
apologize for
no,
that.
it's really good.
What's your, we
It's
only
really
have-
good.
We only have a little bit of time left, but if people go to Torreno, number one, what's your favorite thing? What do you really think they should
It's all
order?
new, so it's all my favorite.
all
like
your
talk to
favorite.
me in 2 weeks, I'll have a favorite.
Okay. And do you need reservations?
We would suggest it, but especially on the weekends.
Yeah, it gets busy.
but drop by anytime. Also, free valet now, so that makes the downtown issue a little easier
Free
to deal
valet.
with.
Yeah, and there's a cool vibe in there. I mean, they've really, if you haven't been since they've redone the Goodwin Hotel, it's really nice.
It's very nice. They did a good job.
And of course, the donuts in the morning. Get
We go
those.
nuts for donuts. Yeah.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
The recipe is going to be on the website. Thank you so much, Tyler. We appreciate
Thank you
you
for
coming
having
in.
me. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, again, so check it out. It's right on at the Goodwin Hotel, and the website is TorrenoRestaurant.com.